Hello everyone. This is in continuation with our discussion on quantitative techniques subject under NEP syllabus meant for 5th semester BCA. We are into simplification topic. This is part 14, question number 7. The bus fare for one person is rupees 420 from Agra to Aligarh, and the train fare between the same places for one person is equal to 3/4 the bus fare for two persons between the same places. What is the total fare paid by three persons traveling by bus and four persons traveling by train between the two places? So the way they give us, we will first consider let x equal to bus fare per person. Then we will assume y as train fare per person. Here what is given? Given bus fare for one person is given. So given x is 420. And then they say the train fare between the same places for one person, that is y is equal to 3/4 the bus fare, means 3/4 the bus fare, which is 420 for two persons into 2. So that will work out to rupees 630. So now the question is, what is the total fare? So total fare paid by three persons traveling by bus, that is 420, and four persons traveling by train, that is 630. So 420 into 3, we get 1260, and 4 into 630, we get 2520. Together, we will get rupees 3780. So that will be the solution for this particular question. Let us move on to the next one. Question number 8. The cost of 6 pens and 3 pencils is rupees 84, comma, 1/3 of the cost of one pen is equal to the cost of one pencil. What is the cost of 4 pens and 5 pencils? So let the cost per pen is equal to x. Let the cost per pencil equal to y. Now they say cost of 6 pens. That means given 6 pens, that is 6x plus 3 pencils, 3y equal to 84. Consider this as equation 1. Then they say 1/3 of the cost of one pen. So 1 by 3 times x is equal to cost of one pencil is equal to y, which means x is 3y. So using this second equation in 1, we are going to substitute 2 in 1. If we do that, we will get 6 times 3y plus 3 times y equal to 84. That means 18y plus 3y equal to 84. That is 21y equal to 84, which means our y is 84 by 21, which will be 4. So therefore, This means, let us put this inside a box. That means x is 3 times 4, which is 12. Therefore, what is the question? Cost of 4 pens and 5 pencils. Cost of 4 pens and 5 pencils is equal to 4 times 12 plus 5 times y is 4. So this becomes 12 fours are 48 plus 20. That will be rupees 68. So that is the solution for this particular question. Question number 9. On sports day, if 30 children were made to stand in a column, then 16 columns could be formed. I will shift this to the next page only. On sports day, if 30 children were made to stand in a column, then 16 columns could be formed. If 24 children were made to stand in a column, then how many columns could be formed? Now, based on the first sentence, number of students, or I will say total number of students, will be 30 children per column multiplied by 16 columns. That will give us 480 children. Now, if one column is 24 children only, then the number of columns that can be formed will be 480 divided by 24. That is 20 columns. So that is the solution for this question. Next one, question number 10. A group of 1,200 persons, 1,200 persons, consisting of captains and soldiers, is traveling in a train. If for every 15 soldiers there is one captain, then find the number of captains in the group. See, for this sentence, every 15 soldiers there is one captain means 16 persons will comprise of 15 soldiers plus one captain. Therefore, number of captains will be total, that is 1,200 divided by 16. So that will give us 75 captains in the whole group. That will be the solution for this particular question.